Are you tired of being broke? Sick of watching others succeed online while you're stuck wondering how they did it? Let me tell you something real. The digital world is full of opportunities, and the best part, you can start with zero capital. Imagine turning your passion into profit, gaining financial freedom, and living life on your own terms. It's all possible, and I'm here to show you how. There are at least 5 online opportunities that you can start with zero capital. Let's explore each one in detail, including potential earnings and required skills. First, freelance writing. Potential earnings range from $20 to $100 per article, depending on experience. Skills needed: strong writing and research abilities. Second, virtual assistants. You can earn between $15 to $30 per hour. Skills required: organizational skills and proficiency with office software. Third, online tutoring. Earnings can be $10 to $50 per hour. Skills needed: expertise in a subject and teaching abilities. Fourth, social media management. Potential earnings range from $300 to $1,000 per month per client. Skills required: social media savvy and marketing knowledge. Finally, affiliate marketing. Earnings vary widely, from $50 to $500 per month. Skills needed: marketing skills and an understanding of SEO. If you're ready to stop scrolling and start earning, this message is for you. Let's dive in. The first opportunity is affiliate marketing. You promote other people's products and get paid for every sale you generate. Platforms like TikTok Shop let you join as an affiliate and start earning commissions without owning the products. Amazon Associates is another popular platform where you can earn by promoting Amazon products. Use CapCut for editing, ChatGPT to help you write good captions, and follow TikTok trends to catch attention. Blogging is another effective strategy. Create content around products and include affiliate links. Some people make $10 to $100 a day just doing this consistently. Successful affiliate marketers like Pat Flynn and Michelle Schroeder-Gardner have made 6-figure incomes by leveraging platforms like YouTube and blogging. Consistency, quality content, and understanding your audience are key strategies for success in affiliate marketing. The second opportunity is YouTube automation. You don't need a camera or your face. Step 1. Use ChatGPT to write your scripts and 11 Labs for voiceovers. Step 2. Create visuals using InVideo or CapCut. Step 3. Focus on popular niches like motivation, luxury, football, or AI. Step 4. Once your channel is monetized, every 1,000 views can earn you $1 or more, and it adds up fast. Third, freelancing with AI tools. Don't say you have no skills. Now you can offer writing, design, transcription, even voiceover services, with the help of AI. Set up your profiles on Fiverr, Upwork, or even Facebook groups. Write a compelling bio, upload samples of your work, and set competitive prices. Send personalized proposals, network online, and engage with potential clients. Start small, earn reviews, then scale up. Fourth, let's dive into print on demand. Start by designing t-shirts, hoodies, or mugs using Canva. Focus on creating unique and trendy designs that stand out. Once your designs are ready, upload them to Printify. Printify offers a variety of products to choose from. Next, connect your Printify account to Etsy to set up your online store. To drive traffic, use social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest to showcase your products. Engage with your audience and use targeted ads to boost visibility. You never touch the product. When someone buys, they print and ship it for you. It's simple, scalable, and it costs nothing to start. Selling digital products can be incredibly diverse. You can create ebooks, online courses, printables, or even software. Turn your knowledge into income. To market your digital products, use social media, email marketing, or even start a blog. Platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, and Etsy are great places to sell. Write it down as an ebook or guide and start selling today. Use ChatGPT to create it, design it with Canva, and sell on Gumroad or Payhip. People all over the world are making money selling PDF files every day. If you've listened this far, you're not lazy. And that's a good thing. These 5 ideas need no capital, but they do need consistency. Don't wait, choose one and commit to it for 30 days. Then come back and tell me how it went. Remember, every success story started with a single step. Stay consistent, stay motivated, and your efforts will pay off. You've got this. If you're ready to start, comment AI and subscribe to DreamHeavy TV. Share your progress, join our community for support, and let's grow. Let's win together.